discussing hydrometeorological hazards. These are hazards caused by atmospheric, hydrological, or oceanographic processes. They often lead to extreme weather events that affect communities. In this video, we will explain what these hazards are, provide examples, and discuss ways to prepare and stay safe. Thank you. Definition of hydrometeorological hazards. Hydrometeorological hazards refer to weather-related events that can cause damage to life, property, and the environment. This includes tropical cyclones, floods, storm surge, thunderstorms, droughts, and El Niño and La Niña events. These hazards are especially common in the Philippines because of our location near the Pacific Ocean where many weather disturbances form.
Tropical cyclones and thunderstorms. One of the most common hydrometeorological hazards in the Philippines is the tropical cyclone, also known as a bagyo. This brings strong winds, heavy rainfall, flooding, and sometimes landslide. Thunderstorms, on the other hand, are short-lived but intense weather events that cause lightning, heavy rain, and strong winds. Both hazards can lead to property damage and power interruptions.
Floods and landslide. Flooding occurs when water overflows onto normally dry land. It can be caused by continuous heavy rain, overflowing rivers, or poor drainage. Landslide often happen after long periods of rainfall that weaken soil and rock. Layer this hazard can lead to road blockage, destroyed homes, and loss of lives, especially in mountainous areas.
Storm surge. El Niño and La Niña. A storm surges in the abnormal rise of sea water due to strong winds from tropical cyclone can cause massive flooding in coastal areas. Meanwhile, El Niño causes unusually dry conditions, sometimes leading to drought, crop failure, and water shortage. La Niña and the opposite, it brings heavy rainfall and increases the risk of flooding and landslide.
On communities, this hazard affects not just infrastructure but entire communities. They can destroy crops, disrupt classes, damage homes, and cause injuries or even loss of life. Families may be forced to evacuate, and local government units must mobilize resources for rescue and relief operations. Hydrometeorological hazard also affects the economy, agriculture, and daily routine.
Disaster preparedness and conclusion. To reduce risks, it is important to be prepared. This includes staying updated with Pag-asa advisories, creating a family emergency plan, preparing a go bag, and following the orders of authorities. Communities should also practice disaster drills and support environmental programs like tree planting.